So today is March 7th and we've had some really good weather the last couple of days. It's been in the 60s here, which is just nuts. Now keep in mind, this is the time of year that I affectionately refer to as teasing season. We'll have days like this where we're in the 60s, it's super nice, and then next thing you know there's rain, snow, and it just gets crazy and you wonder what the heck happened to spring. Is it ever going to come back? And it just kind of goes back and forth that way. So we're in teasing season right now. This is the third day in a row that we've been in the 60s, and I thought I'd come out here, get some work done in the yard, show you what's going on, and just kind of give you an update on where things are at coming out of winter. So, are you ready? Let's get started. So as you can see, the lawn is still quite dormant, but there are some signs of life, which is really cool. Around the edges of the trees, you can see that it's starting to green up. And then around the edges where the curbing is, you can see the heat is getting to it, so it's starting to wake up a little bit there as well. And then I can start to see it along the edge of the sidewalk as well, where it's just kind of starting to wake up and green up a little bit. Now, of course, the front yard is going to remain shortcut this season, and the backyard's just going to be at a normal cutting height, maybe around 2.5 to 3 inches or so, and that should be a fun thing to do this year. As far as backyard goes, I think the backyard's going to take a little bit more to get going this year. There's just been a lot going on back here, a lot of children playing back here. Now, of course, putting the trampoline in created its own to-do list of problems. I'll show you what I mean. So the backyard's seen tons of activity lately, and there's a lot of work to do, mainly around the trampoline. Really what needs to happen is it just needs to be raked up. There's a lot of matted down areas, especially over here by the fence. This is where the last of the snow melts. As you can see right there, the snow's still melting, and it's just like, it looks like there's been tons of material on there, and this is going to be the hardest part, is up against this fence, because it gets the least amount of sunlight, and yeah, there's just tons of work to do here. Now, even though temperatures are getting up into the 50s and 60s, it's still important to understand that the soil temperature is still quite cold, and I think it's around like 40 degrees or so here right now. It's 11 o'clock in the morning, by the way. Soil temperature still at 40 degrees, so we're still a little ways out before we actually put anything down as far as pre-emergents and fertilizers and things like that. But there's still things that you can do at this time of the year, since the weather is nice and you can get outside, to start getting things going in other ways. So what I'm going to do today, I'm just going to go ahead and rake out some of those matted down areas, get that air flowing again, and you know, any repairs that I need to do. I have a sprinkler head to replace. I'm going to go ahead and do that. I'm going to get the fountain going again today. That's something that I always look forward to doing. So with that, let's get started. So now that I have the silicone in the top part, I have to wait a few hours for that to kind of set up before I can put any water back in the fountain. So in the meantime, there's still a couple other things to do. Let me show you. So one of the first things to do is to replace, this sprinkler head right here. It got run over during the trampoline install, and the spring came out and the head came out. It's kind of a mess right now. The spring is all stretched out, so I'm just going to replace the whole thing. That way I don't have to worry about getting tedious with anything. Shouldn't take very long, should be a pretty simple thing. Alright, so I've raked up some of the grass, gotten the fountain taken care of for the most part, still waiting for the silicone to dry, replaced the sprinkler head. I've just been organizing the garage. I've gotten all the bikes up out of here. I moved everything from this pegboard over here to this pegboard here and kind of organized it nice, filled in that space up top. Still trying to fine tune things a little bit, but it's getting there, and that's really nice to have that going. Just kind of making room for things in here, getting things ready to go, and yeah, really looking forward to spring. Signs of spring are here. We're starting to see, as I showed you earlier, green coming into the grass. Tulip bulbs are starting to come up out of the ground, the tulip leaves, and even the tulip leaves that I put over along the side of the driveway over here are starting to come up, the one I did with the Pro Plugger tool. So that's really exciting. We're gonna have tulips on the side of the driveway, which I'm really excited about. So lots of good things to come, but as for now, I think that's gonna go ahead and wrap things up for today. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. 'Cause I am happy on this island.